Hello students, welcome to the video. In this video we are going to learn our first lesson, a tiger in the house. So looking into the picture, can you guess what it is? In the picture, a forest officer is having two leopard cub in his hand. Okay, so this you normally in news or in newspapers you would have seen that wild animals like leopard or tiger or even elephant sometimes enter into the village, okay, threatening the people like that, and all you would have learnt in the newspapers. So in this lesson we are going to see a tiger in the house. So let's see how the tiger came to the house and how the story goes. Timothy, the tiger cub, was discovered by grandfather on a hunting expedition in the Terai jungle near Dehra. So this story is narrated by a boy, and he is telling what happened, how he got the tiger, everything he is going to tell in the story. So the tiger name is Timothy. So the Timothy was discovered by the boy's grandfather in a hunting expedition. So expedition meaning is a journey for a certain purpose. So for a purpose, if you have a journey, that is called expedition in the Terai jungle near Dehra. So Terai jungle, where it is, means it's near the river of Brahmaputra and Yamuna, that region, the whole region, it's a huge jungle. So in that place only the grandfather found the tiger cub. Then at first the tiger cub, who was named Timothy by grandmother, was brought up entirely on milk given to him in the feeding bottle by our cook Mahmud. Okay, so after bringing the tiger cub to the home, grandma, okay, the grandmother in the home only named the tiger cub as Timothy. Then he was fed with milk. So his diet is fully milk. It is given with the help of feeding bottle by the cook Mahmud. Okay, the name of the cook is Mahmud. But the milk provided too rich for him, and he was put on a diet of raw mutton and cod liver oil, to be followed later by a more tempting diet of pigeons and rabbits. Okay, so now currently when the cub came to the home, its diet is milk. Then afterwards its diet or changed to raw mutton and cod liver oil. It's cod liver oil, you would have seen like a capsule, it's available, so that's rich in vitamins and all. So that's also given for the tiger cub. Then later on it is followed by more tempting diet of pigeons and rabbits. So tempting means attracting, very interesting food to eat, that is for the tiger cub. What it all means, pigeons and rabbits. Okay, then Timothy was provided with two companions. Companion means friends in the house. Toto the monkey, who was bold enough to pull the young tiger by the tail and then climb up the curtains if Timothy lost his temper. So in the home one more monkey is there. The monkey name is Toto, and the monkey was very bold enough to pull the tiger's tail. Okay, whenever it pull the tail of tiger, and the tiger got angry, lost his temper meaning is angry. Whenever the tiger get angry, the monkey will climb up the curtain of the home. Okay, then one more companion is and a small mongrel puppy found on the road by grandfather. So mongrel puppy means the normal stray dogs we are seeing on the roads, no, that is only mongrel puppy. So that was also brought home by grandfather. So these two Toto the monkey and the mongrel puppy were the two companions for Timothy. At first, Timothy appeared to be quite afraid of the puppy and darted back with a spring if it came too near. So, at first, Timothy was afraid of the puppy. Okay, when the tiger cub was too young, it was afraid of the puppy and darted back with a spring means it will run in with a spring action, jumping like a spring. Okay, so that Timothy will run like a spring like that, and if the puppy comes near to him, he would make absurd dashes at it with his large forepaws and then retreat to a ridiculously safe distance. So if it come near to it, it will show some absurd dashes. That means a quick run which looks very funny. Okay, when the puppy comes near, he would run away in a funny way with his large forepaws and retreat to a ridiculously safe distance. Retreat means to get rid of any danger, to getting to a safer place. Like that, it's going to a safer distance from the puppy. Finally, he allowed the puppy to crawl on his back and rest there. So after some time, they both became good friends, and now the Timothy is allowing the puppy to crawl on his back and rest there. Okay, so now they became friends. One of the Timothy's favorite amusement was to stalk anyone who would play with him, and so when I came to live with grandfather, I became one of the tiger's favorites. So Timothy's favorite amusement meaning is anything that gives joy. Okay, so the favorite amusement for Timothy is to go behind anyone who would play with him. Stalk means going behind them, that is only stalk. So whoever would play with Timothy, behind them the Timothy would go back behind them. Okay, so when this boy came to his grandfather's home, so he also was one of the Timothy's favorites. So the Timothy used to follow this boy also for playing. With a crafty look on his glittering eyes and his body scorching, he would creep closer and closer to me, suddenly making a dash for my feet, rolling over on his back and kicking with delight and pretending to bite my ankles. So how this Timothy would play with this boy, that is what he is describing here. So with a crafty look in his glittering eyes. So crafty look means cleverly, in order to win them, like that you can take. In a clever way, he is having a glittering eyes and his body scorching. He would creep closer and closer to me. So very slowly, without making any noise, he would come to this boy and suddenly making a dash for my feet and rolling on his back. So he will play with him, how the cats and all used to play with the children. It will show some actions with the four leg, then it will be rolling on the floor with its back, then kicking with the legs, so and pretending like biting the ankle. Okay, so like that same way this Timothy is playing with the boy. Then he was by this time the size of a full grown retriever, and when I took him out for walks, people on the road would give us a wide berth. So now the Timothy had grown a little bit, okay, like a full grown retriever. Retriever means it's a kind of a dog, golden retriever dog you would have seen. Okay, in the pedigree advertisements and all it will be coming. So that kind of dog. So to that size Timothy had grown now. And when the boy took Timothy for walk on the road, people used to give a wide berth. Wide berth means leaving a safe distance. Okay, they want to keep a distance from the tiger, so they give lot of space in the road. Okay, when he pulled hard on his chain, I had difficulty in keeping up with him. So whenever on the road Timothy was on a walk, he will pull very hardly, so this boy couldn't control at all. It was very difficult for him to hold. His favorite place in the house was the drawing room, and he would make himself comfortable on the long sofa, reclining there with a great dignity and snarling at anybody who tried to get him off. In the at home, what Timothy's favorite place means, it's the drawing room, it's a living room. Okay, so there the sofa will be there, was there. So this Timothy used to lie down on the sofa with great dignity. Dignity means the quality of giving much more respect. Okay, the quality to give respect, that is called dignity. So like that he used to recline means lying down, leaning on the sofa and snarling at anybody. Snarling means the roar sound the tiger used to give, no, in a angry tone. Okay, it gives a noise, no, that's only snarling at anybody who try to get him off. So anybody try to get the tiger out of the sofa means he will give a snarling, that means he will roar at them. Okay, Timothy had clean habits and would scrub his face with his paws exactly like a cat. He slept at night in the cook's quarters and was always delighted at being let out by him in the morning. Okay, so where Timothy used to sleep means he used to sleep in the cook's quarters. So where the cook used to sleep, there only Timothy also used to sleep. And what about his habits? He used to be very clean. Usually you would have seen the cats and all used to be very clean. It will scrub its face, it will clean its eyes, paws, everything it will clean. So same way the tiger also is very clean in its habits. And it's very delighted to go out. Okay, for a morning walk it's very happy to go out. In next paragraph, one of these days, declared grandmother in her prophetic manner, we are going to find Timothy sitting on Muhammad's bed and no sign of the cook except his clothes and shoes. So one day, grandmother is warning, one day Timothy will be sitting on Muhammad's bed and no sign of cook except his clothes and shoes. What is that meaning? Grandmother is giving a warning. Okay, she was warning that one day or the other Timothy will be sitting on Muhammad's bed and the cook won't be there in the room, but only his clothes and shoes will be there. She is telling like a prophetic manner. So prophetic means like a manner of saying everything in advance, how the gurus or saints and all in those days they used to say this will happen, like that she is telling now this is what one day going to happen. Like that grandmother was warning the family. Okay children, that's all for this video. I'll teach you the rest of the lesson in the next video. Thank you.